Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making something soft, pillowy, and oh so delicious, milk bread. This Japanese-style bread is known for its incredibly soft texture and delicate sweetness, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons milk, 3 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons bread flour, 2½ cups bread flour, 2 tablespoons dry milk, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 1/2 cup milk, 1 large egg, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. Equipment: stand mixer with dough hook attachment, optional. Large bowl. Measuring cups and spoons. Rolling pin. Baking sheet. Parchment paper. Pastry brush. Instructions: make the tangzong. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, water, and bread flour. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens into a paste. Remove from the heat and let cool slightly. Combine the dry ingredients. In the bowl of your stand mixer, or a large bowl if mixing by hand. Combine the bread flour, dry milk, sugar, and salt. Add the wet ingredients. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and add the yeast, lukewarm milk, egg, and cooled tangzong. Mix on low speed with the dough hook attachment until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough. Increase the speed to medium and knead the dough for 5–7 minutes, or until smooth and elastic. If the dough is too sticky, add more flour 1 tablespoon at a time until it pulls away from the sides of the bowl. First rise. Transfer the dough to a greased bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for 1–2 hours, or until doubled in size. Shape the dough. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 6 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a long rope, about 12 inches long. Second rise. Braid 3 ropes of dough together and gently coil it into a snail shape on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Bake the bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Brush the risen dough with an egg wash, 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon of water, and bake for 25–30 minutes, or until golden brown. Cool and serve. Let the bread cool slightly on a wire rack before slicing and serving. Enjoy your milk bread warm or at room temperature. Tips: for an extra soft and fluffy bread, use bread flour with a higher protein content. Make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature before starting. Don't overmix the dough. Overmixing can make the bread tough. You can use different shapes for the bread, such as round or rectangular. Milk bread is delicious on its own, but you can also toast it and spread it with your favorite jam or butter. I hope you enjoyed this milk bread recipe. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.